Anybody here? But ready? Namaste to all. I am your Sanskrit teacher from Kendra Vidyalaya Anna Nagar Narsimhan, taking Sanskrit class to 6th standard. Lesson number 1 starts now. This is for online Sanskrit class to Kendra Vidyalaya Anna Nagar students. We are going to begin lesson number 6 for lesson first lesson for class 6 standard A and B section. The time is by 2 to 2:40. It is the allotted slot time for you all. Shabda Parichaya. That is the lesson number 1. We are going to start. Are you able to see this lesson? Prathama Pataha Shabda Parichaya is here. Are you able to see?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Get up. Now, I am going to start this teaching to you. When you are textbook class 6th standard, you are having more than 15 lessons are there. We are having in class 6th standard. We have to complete this 15 chapters. I am going to teach you this lesson number 1. You can see this lesson number 1 is as Prathama Pataha, first lesson, Shabda Parichaya 1. Don't talk. All of you put in a mute mode. All of you put in mute mode. எல்லாரும் மியூட் பண்ணி வைங்க. 25 பேர் இருக்கீங்க. 25 பேர் இருக்கீங்க. மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. எல்லாரும் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க.
மியூட் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க.
மாலதி மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. மாலதி. யாரு? பூர்ணஸ்ரீ மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. பிரஞ்சிஸ்ரீ 1981. Don't talk, listen to my class. Don't talk, listen to my class. திருப்பியும் மியூட் பண்ணாலும் எல்லாரும் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. பேசாதீங்க. மாலத்தி மியூட் பண்ணவே மாட்டேன்றாங்க. ஓகே. மியூட் ஆயிருக்கு, பேசாதீங்க. யாரு திருப்பி அந்த ரஞ்சிஸ்ரீ நான் மியூட் பண்ணாலும் நீங்க எடுக்கிறீங்க. நான் மியூட் பண்ணிட்டேன், எடுக்காதீங்க. Yes. Now this is the lesson number 1, Shabda Parichaya. First lesson. Shabda means noun word in Sanskrit. Parichaya means introduction. Introduce. We introduce some of the words for you all. Okay, from this lesson. Now see all of you. The first one picture. This is a glass. To say in Sanskrit for this, Chashakaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha chashakaha. Kim Yeshaha Brihad Na Yeshaha Laguhu. I tell the meaning for this, you see. Yeshaha Kaha. What is this? Yeshaha Chashakaha. This is glass. Kim Yeshaha Brihad. What? This is very big in size, this glass size? Na. No. Yeshaha Laguhu. This is very small. It is the first paragraph. I repeat. Yeshaha kaha. What is this? Yeshaha chashakaha. Kim yeshaha brihad? Na yeshaha laguhu. Meaning I said you, what is this? Yatat kim yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha chashakaha. This is glass. Kim yeshaha brihad? What? This is very big? Na, no. Yeshaha laguhu. This is small. And saha kaha. Who is this? Saha sauchikaha. He is tailor. Saha sauchikaha. Sauchikaha kim karoti? The tailor. What he is doing for tailor? Kim saha khelati? What he is playing? Na. No. Saha vastram sivyati. He is stitching the cloth. Are you able to hear me? Speak anybody want?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I am able to hear your voice. Somebody told me, yes, I am able to hear. Continue. Saha kaha, who is he? Saha sauchi kaha. The font size is enough for you, or I should make more zoom? I want to make more zoom, or it is enough?
More zoom.
More zoom. You can make,
More zoom, sir.
you make a zoom
Sir.
in your mobile phone or computer. You can make.
No, sir. How to do, sir?
Okay?
It's okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Saha kaha, who is he? Saha sauchi kaha, he is tailor. Sauchi kaha kim karoti, kim saha khelati. The tailor, what he is doing? Kim saha khelati, what he is playing? No, not saha vastram sivyati. He is stitching the cloth. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Next picture, dog. Please make note. There are two dogs are there. To say in Sanskrit dog, sunakaha. The two dogs are there means sunakau. Sunakau. One dog means sunakaha. Two dogs are called sunakau. Now the question is, etau kau. Etau kau. कौन है ये दोनों? These two are dogs. Etau sunakau staha. Etau kau. Etau sunakau staha. Kim etau garjataha. Garjana means no roaring. What these two are roaring? Na. No. Etau uchaihi bukkataha. These two are in louder voice, louder manner, walking. Bukkataha. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next picture. Are you able to see this picture? Next one, the farmer.
Yes, sir.
What he is doing?
Farming.
Farming. What is these two are called?
Cow.
Huh?
Bear.
What is this two?
Bear.
Balivardha.
Bull, sir. Balibhadra, sir. Bull.
Balivardha. In two are there, so Balivardha. Divachan. Do
Sir,
it
this
wrong.
Balibhadra.
Balivardha. Two are there, so Balivardha. What to say? Balivardha.
Balibhadra.
Okay. Now, kau Balivardha saha. What is this two are? These two are Balivardha. Tau kim tau dhavataha. What these two are running? These
I
two are,
can't understand.
these two are running?
No.
No. Then what these two are doing? Tau kshetram karshataha. Kshetra means farmer. Farming, agriculture land. These two are helping them, doing a assistant helping to the farmer farming. Okay, farming.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Next page.
चषकः गिलास
Now see this.
Sir, zoom it, sir.
Wait.
Please zoom it. Enough. Sir, enough. Enough, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Enough, sir.
Okay, now see. These all are called in Sanskrit language. What do you say for this one? You tell me.
Bag.
Bag. In Sanskrit, what to say for this? You know, syuta. What to say?
Syuta.
Syuta. And
Syuta.
many bags are there.
Not clear.
Syutaha. Many bags are there. Syutaha.
Syutaha.
Okay. Now,
Syutaha.
okay, what is these all are? These all are bags to say. Yete syutaha santi. Kim yete harita varna. What is this all are in green color? Is it in green color?
No, it's in blue color.
So that nahi.
Blue color.
No, it is
Neela
not.
Varna.
Neela varna.
Neela Varna.
Neela varna. Okay, Neela varna blue color.
Neela Varna. Ha.
So you are
Neela
understanding?
Varna.
You are understanding this paragraph?
Yes. Yes,
What
sir.
is the new
I'm having
word?
the book, sir.
Okay. What new word you learned from this paragraph?
Syutaha.
Sanskrit for bag.
Syutaha.
Blue color.
Syutaha. Neela Varna.
Green color.
Harivartanaha.
Harita varna.
Yeah, Harita Varnaha.
Next we go. Are you able to see this?
Varnaha.
Okay. Are you able to see this picture? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Vruddha. Vruddha means what?
Old man. Old men.
Old man.
Sir, old men.
Man. Okay.
Old men.
Okay, correct. Old man. Okay. Now, what to say in Sanskrit for old? Vruddha. What to say?
Vriddha.
Singular. If
Vriddha.
suppose plural, many are there. Vruddha. What to say?
Vriddha.
One person, old person is there.
Vriddha.
Vruddha.
Vriddha.
And many are there.
Vriddha.
Okay?
Vriddha.
Very good. Color interesting. Color interesting. Now I say, to say in Sanskrit for student, chatra. One student.
Chatraha.
Now many student, what to say in Sanskrit?
Chatrehe.
Nine. Now one old man, what to say?
Vriddha.
Vruddha. Many old men, many are there.
Vriddha.
And then
Vriddha.
one student, chatra. One student,
Chatraha.
chatraha. Chatraha.
Chatraha.
Vruddha.
Vriddha.
Vruddha.
Vriddha.
Now let us discuss the meaning of. I tell you meaning of this. Te ke kaune saab te vruddha santi. These all are old men. Kim te gayanti. What these all are singing? Kim te gayanti. What they are singing? Nahi. No. Te hasanti. They are laughing. Has. Laughing. Okay, understand?
Sir, what is Hasantiha?
Hasanti means laughing, smile. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Hasnitaha.
Hasanti. That is the word. Okay?
Sir,
Hasanti.
sir, Santini. What is that, sir?
Santi means hey, or
Okay, sir.
okay?
Sir, what is Gayanit, sir?
What is?
Singing.
Gayanti. Gayanti. Say the word.
Gayanti.
Gayanti. Ah.
Gayanti.
Okay, clear now?
Dear.
Alright, now we go. Once again, I will make recount from the first paragraph. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, now once again I tell you. Yeshaha kaha. Who is? What is this? Yeshaha chashakaha. This is glass. Kim yeshaha brihat. What this is? Is it very big? Nah, it is small. Yeshaha laguhu. So, what to say in Sanskrit for glass?
Chashakah.
What to say in Sanskrit for small?
Laghu.
Lagu. What to say in Sanskrit for big? Big. Brihat. Okay. Next paragraph.
Chashak.
Next paragraph. Any doubt in
Chashaka.
first paragraph? Any doubt is there in first paragraph?
No, sir.
Okay.
Ish
Second paragraph.
means.
Second paragraph. Now I give you a chance for you all to read. Be ready. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now next paragraph. Saha kaha.
Okay, sir.
You don't say me, okay, sir.
Saha
You have to
kaha.
listen to my class. Don't talk. Just I am interacting with you. Simply you put your head there. Likewise, I am able to see. Okay, you can put your head there. Yes, sir. That is enough. Okay. Don't give the words because it is disturbing. One by one, you are telling to me, yes, sir, yes, sir. Some are waiting in the lobby. We cannot permit them because they are coming late. Inform to them not to come from the beginning of the lesson. Class. Sahat Sauchikaha, he is Tyler. Sauchikaha Kim Karoti, what this Tyler is doing. Kim Saha Khelati. Khelati means play. What he is playing.
Playing.
No, don't repeat again. Unless I say, don't say. Keep silent. Don't talk. Kim Saha Khelati, what he is playing. Not. Saha Vastram Tivyati. He is stitching the clothes. Now, Sauchikaha. What is the meaning of Sauchikaha?
Tailor.
Very good.
Tailor.
Okay. Okay.
Tailor.
Okay. Enough. Sivyati. What is the meaning of Sivyati? Verb.
Sir, stitching.
Stitching. Correct. What is the meaning of Khelati? Khelati.
Playing.
Playing. Correct. Very good. Now we go to next para. What to say in Sanskrit for dog?
Shunkav.
Shunakaha. Two dogs are there.
Shunakaha.
Shunakaha means one dog. Two dogs are there.
Shunakav. Shunakav.
Shunakau. Okay. Then Yetau Kau.
Shunakav.
What these two are? Yetau Shunakau Saha. These two are dogs. Kim Yetau Garjataha. What these two are roaring? Nah. No, these two are not roaring. These two are walking. Uttata. Cow, what is this two? Cow, Bhalivardhosaha. These two are Bhalivardha. Kim cow Dhavataha. What these two are running? Not. Cow Kshetram Karshataha. These two are helping work in the agriculture land. What to say back in Sanskrit? Syutaha. Many words are there. Syutaha. Yete ke. What is this all? Yete syutaha santi. These all are bags. Kim yete harita varnaha. What these all are in green color? No. In blue color. These all are in blue color. Yete ke. What is this all are? Te vrdha santi. These all are old. Kim te gayanti. What these all are singing? Nahi. Na. Te hasanti. They are laughing, smiling. What to say in Sanskrit for green color?
हरितवर्ण
What to say blue color in Sanskrit?
नीलवर्ण
Okay, good. Now see the word meaning. हमारे
नीलवर्णः
चषकः in English what to say?
गिलास
बृहत्.
ग्लास
शौचिकः
बड़ा
लार्ज
शौचिकः केलति
Sir, we can't see, sir. We can't see, sir. खेलता है. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
सीव्यति सिलाई करता है. म्यूट பண்ணுங்க सुनको दो कुत्ते गर्जतः वर्ड गर्जतः गर्जतः रिपीट பண்ணுங்க गर्जतः
गर्जतः
हाँ
गर्जतः
उच्चैः जोर से ये दोनों मुक्तः बलिवर्धौ आक्षेण बोलते हैं कर्षतः बोलते हैं जोत रहे हैं वृत्ताः बूढ़े गाते हैं गायन करते हैं असंख्य
हंसते हैं
स्यूताः थैले हरे रंग के नीलवर्णाः नीले रंग के
पीले रंग के
उच्चारण means you have to practice. All of you practice pronunciation.
Okay, sir.
छात्रः you say
छात्रा
छात्रः
छात्रः
हाँ गजः
गजः
घटः शिक्षकः मकरः दीपकः मयूरः विडालः अश्वः शुकः चंद्रः म्यूट अटकाएंगे keep in mute mode all of you. The French University 1981 यार பேர் என்ன म्यूट பண்ணு दिव्यानी 68 म्यूट பண்ணு मूषकः चंद्रः बालकः चालकः गायकः. Listen all of you. Now I will tell you there's some important instruction writing of classwork and homework side. Now see Abhyas. This Abhyas heading is there, no Abhyas. From number 1 to see how many exercises are there here. Four, 5, 6. That totally you are having 8 exercise. Abhyas. Okay. This 8 exercise. 8 exercise you have to write in your classwork side, not in homework side. I told you how to make a classwork and homework to you all.
Yes, sir.
Half book for classwork, half book for
Half
homework.
book class and
Yes,
also
yes. Classwork you have to write in the front page of the notebook. Homework you have to write the middle of the notebook.
upside.
Now the abhyas to write in a classwork side all these 8 exercise from starting abhyas.
What is the key है इसका?
Okay, it is what you write
नहीं.
now. Is that now while writing you have to write question and answer. Question and answer likewise. Answers I will
Sir,
send
question
you.
in blue color. See,
Ah,
question in black color, sir.
okay, that is you can write as you wish, blue or black color. Okay, as you wish.
Okay, sir.
You can write
Sir, jeller ball.
the ordinary ball pen. You can write have questions and answers. I will send you the answers to you through WhatsApp. By seeing that you can write. This is the splitting of the word. This is fill in the blanks. This is to find out what to say in Sanskrit. Gajaha, Kakaha. This is to write question answers. For this, this is smash the balai. Question number 6. Question number 7.
वही है. वही है यार मेरे पास. अगर नहीं लेता.
Question number 7. Padam Chitwa Ritasthana. Take this word, correct word and fill up. I give the answer, I will send you through the WhatsApp. You can see and to write the answer. Here, fill in the blanks.
Sir, this we have to write in classwork.
Classwork. You have to write in classwork.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then homework. In a homework side, all of you listen. In a homework side, all of you, this lesson is there, no? This lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paragraph. You have to write this 6 paragraph along with the Shabdarth. Along with the Shabdarth. This is the Shabdarth. I want only Sanskrit and Hindi. I don't want the English. So write in your homework side this 6 paragraph, only paragraph. Then Shabdartha.
To make drawing also.
Drawing not required. You are good in drawing. You can do it. So homework I made you very clear to write this 6 paragraph along with Shabdarth. You have to write in your homework side only Sanskrit and Hindi. Clear? Then this exercise question answers I will send you. Questions are here. Answers I will send you. You can see and to write. I already sent you the textbook also for you all. You got it textbook by NCERT down. Otherwise you can download from NCERT website. You can download
Okay, sir.
from NCERT website. I am showing you how many exercises are there. You see, we are
sir.
going to conclude this lesson today. Lesson number 1 is over. From exercise number 1 onwards, you have to write in your classwork side. Questions are here. You copy questions from here. Answers I will send you. By seeing answer, you can write. It is
Okay,
question
sir.
number.
Sir, which channel homework? Which channel questions?
This and all to write in your classwork side. 8 questions to write in your classwork side. 8 questions.
Okay,
That's
sir.
8. This is 8 one. Are you able to see the board?
Can this picture is in the WhatsApp, sir?
I will send you answers. Answers for
Thank you, sir.
you are can
Okay, sir.
write in your
Okay, sir.
any doubt
Thank you,
is
sir.
any doubt is there, you can ask to me. I'm going to conclude the session now.
The numbers.
Sir, only number 8 is homework, sir.
8. 1 to 8 in classwork. Classwork. Not
Okay,
in
sir.
homework. homework
Okay, sir. 1 to 8 is classwork, sir.
ஆமா ஆமா ஆமாம் homework இதோ இந்த பேராகிராஃப் தெரியுதா?
Sir.
இது homeworkல எழுதணும்.
சரிங்க சார்.
அப்புறம் சப்தார்த்தே சான்ஸ்கிரிட் அண்ட் ஹிந்தி மாத்திரம் போதும், இங்கிலீஷ் வேணாம்.
Okay, sir.
ஏதாவது சந்தேகம் இருக்கா? சந்தேகம் இருக்கா? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Shall we conclude the session?
Sir, ಇದು homework, sir.
Huh?
This one is homework, sir. This is homework, sir.
ஆமா 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 எத்தனை தடவை கேட்பீங்க, இப்பதானே திருப்பி சொல்லட்டுமா?
சரிண்ணா சார்.
ஓகே, நீங்க யாருக்கு புரிஞ்சதோ அவங்க உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு மெசேஜ் வாட்ஸ்அப்ல போடுங்க. ஓகே.
சரி.
Okay, sir.
I will send you this by recording. You will be getting in a video also by recording by YouTube channel. You can listen this lesson also. Today or tomorrow I will upload.
Sir, okay, sir. Send the link also. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt? Shall I conclude the session?
No, sir.
Okay, shall I conclude the session now? Any doubt is there, you can ask to me, otherwise I will conclude the session.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Somebody is asking doubt, can ask to me before I conclude.
Rajkumar, sir.
Rajkumar.
Send the link of the channel.
Channel?
Your channel link, sir.
நான் உங்களுக்கு குரூப்ல போட்டுருவேன் அந்த வீடியோவை. சரியா?
சரி சார். ஓகே சார். சரி சார்.
Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்குலாம் சொல்லுங்க, ஆன்லைன்ல படிக்கிறதுக்கு வர சொல்லுங்க. கிளாஸ் திருப்பி ஸ்கூல்ல வந்தா நடத்த மாட்டேன். ஓகே?
Okay, sir. Doubt, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
Doubt, sir. Sir, class work side. You told to write 1 to 8 questions, sir. Fourth question, there are pictures, sir. We draw a picture and write the name, sir.
உனக்கு பிக்சர் டிரா பண்ண தெரிஞ்சா பண்ணு, இல்லனா வேணா ஒரு டாஷ் போட்டு அந்த வேர்ட் மாத்திரம் ஆன்சர் வேர்ட் எழுதி.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Wait a minute. I conclude the session. Thank you. Dhanyawada. I am Narasimhan, taking class for 600, lesson number 1. Today I completed. We will meet next class. I will send you the message through WhatsApp. Any doubts, you can send to me through WhatsApp to get clarification. Till that time, and we will take leave and be safe. Study at home and don't go outside anywhere else. Sit at home and attend the regular classes. Lesson number 1 over. One lesson is there for us to complete. Second lesson I will take and complete. For this month syllabus is only 2 chapters. Okay? Thank you.
Sir.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad, sir.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada, sir.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada, sir. Dhanyawada. Dhanyawada, sir. Dhanyawada, sir.
Sir.
Dhanyawada. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad, sir.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad.